Friends, now we will see sources of finance for entrepreneurs. Well, we'll categorize sources of finance into two heads as external source of finance and internal sources of finance. So, under external sources of finance, we'll discuss money sources of finance one by one. Dear friends, first family and friends. Before going out to borrow, as an entrepreneur, you must consider your inner circle. They could be family members or friends, but make this a serious application and have your business plan with you to help your family and friends understand how your business will work and how you expect to realize profits. Also, let them know how and when you intend to refund the money. Dear friends, most often family members may have issues loaning you the money, especially because they think you won't return the money. Have, if possible, a signed agreement with them to show them that you are really serious in repaying them. Well, another source of finance is banks and financial institutions. Dear friends, to secure a bank loan, an entrepreneur typically will have to answer a number of questions. What do they plan to do with the money? How much they need? When they need money? How long they will need it? And how they are going to repay the loan. Dear friends, when it comes to the banks and financial institutions, they will need a detailed project report which will feature every forecast of your business. This will include your marketing strategy, business projections, how you plan to realize profits, and so on. One thing about banks is that you need to prove you can repay the loan. For example, every bank in any country wants to make sure you are credit worthy. Sometimes it may include pulling up credit reports to see if you have ever defaulted before. Well, another important source of finance is equity finance. Well, it simply means raising the capital by shares of your company, its issue, and that is what is equity finance. Well, another is grants. Dear friends, a grant is a non returnable source of funding that is offered to exporters by governments as well as local bodies that are interested in developing the projects. Well, there are also government schemes. Dear friends, if you are an entrepreneur who is starting up, you could consider government schemes that offer loans. For example, there is Pradhan Mantri Mudra scheme which was launched in 2015 and provides credit to small entrepreneurs. They provide credit up to 10 lakhs. But in this case, an entrepreneur needs a business plan, and business plan should be non-form one to be eligible. Well, that Mudra loan is available in banks, non-banking financial corporations through the Mudra website portal. It is offered to the entrepreneurs. Well, bonds and debentures is another source. Dear friends, bonds and debentures is a long-term instruments of debt that are utilized by big companies and governments and for obtaining funds. Well, another is angel investors. Dear friends, angel investors we have already discussed. They are someone who belong to royal families. They are wealthy individuals. In simple terms, an angel investor is somebody who will provide you with capital but in exchange for ownership equity which could go up to 30%. They are more like private investors who will invest in your business in its early stages. For you to get such investors, you have to network. That means networking has been known to work and create strong business relationships. Dear friends, investors may also be in a group where they pool their resources to fund businesses. For you to have a chance of getting them, you need to get your business ready. Investors will often work with companies that show a great future and have a great team. So you need to convince them to invest in your business by having a great pitch. Well, another source is venture capital. Dear friends, venture capital is usually funds that are professionally managed and invest in companies that show a huge potential for growth and success. Venture capitalists will often invest in your business in exchange for equity. They exit when there is an acquisition or an initial public offering. Dear friends, venture capital is an excellent option for businesses that cannot access bank loans and have had a limited operating system. Dear friends, what you get as a business when you go for venture capital is not only the funds, but you also get to benefit from strategic advice concerning your business model and marketing strategies. Be on the lookout because venture capitalists will mostly want a business where they will recover their funds in 3 to 5 years. So, if your product will take longer than that to realize profits, it may not be a good option for you to pitch the venture capitalists. You also need to be flexible enough because you might have to give up some of your business control. If you are not somebody who is looking into getting mentorship or compromising, this may not be an excellent option for your startup. Now, we will see internal sources of finance and we will discuss them one by one. Well, first important source of finance as an internal source can be your own savings as a owner. Well, next is if you are an existing business, you have already assets, so you can make a sale of those assets and secure the funds. Well, another source can be promoters contribution. So your partners they can contribute also form source of finance. Well, purchase from internal budget again an existing business. Well, controlling you can control your working capital that can form a source of finance. Well, also you can reduce your stock, so that can also help you. Dear friends, another source of finance can be your trade credit. It is a technique to defer payments to your creditors to a future date, and that can also serve as a source of finance. Now, dear friends, we'll understand what should be the objective of your business, how you can manage your finances. Well, the financial management for a project must ensure fair return on investment. Dear friends, whatever you spend in your business, you have to ensure that it gives you a fair return on your investment. Well, another objective is you must be in a position to generate and build surplus and reserves for your growth and expansion of your business, and you must be in a position to take your business to the next level. Well, another important objective must be that you must ensure maximum efficiency of operations and build a proper relationship with suppliers, financiers, workers, and other members. Well, another important objective must be coordination of different departments through appropriate measures to ensure discipline in the use of financial resources. Dear friends, I hope that you have understood the concept of entrepreneurial finance in a very neat and clear way. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.